I've got a 2-horse Thuro Bilt trailer that I'm going to go through. I did this one about a year ago, so I'm going to tear it down, check the bearings, check the brakes, make sure lights are working, make sure the fans that I installed probably a year and a half, 2 years ago are still working, make sure all lights and wiring are working. Let's get to it. Trailer's up in the air. I did put bottle jacks on this side. That way it prevents the axles from flipping. This driver's side rear is missing a dust cap. It's also missing the beauty cap. So I think either something got hit, it looked like it hit the tire, something got taken off on this. Don't know what contaminants got inside those. Passenger side front. Magnet's kind of flat. It's time to adjust brakes. Magnet surface is just about the same as the magnet. I'd say this one's okay for right now. It's grooved, but not crazy grooved. Driver's side rear. Come on. Come on. It's a good thing we're doing this. This would suck to happen on the road. Got it off. Bearing's stuck on there. Bearing's not spinning. Something happened to this side. Everything looks good. Brakes look good. A lot of brake dust on this, so it needs to be adjusted. And I need to figure out how to get that bearing off without kind of ruining anything, but I think it should come off fine. Hub and drums are off. I'll clean up that spindle after I'm done cleaning up these hub and drums. Let's get these rebuilt. All races are out. Hubs are clean, races going in. Inner races are in. Beautiful. These Mayhew Pro race pounders are amazing. They catch the edge really well. As long as there's an edge to catch inside the races. Sometimes on these hubs, the cast is the same diameter as the race. And pack the hubs with a little bit of grease. And packing bearings and putting them in. Inner bearings are packed. And seals going in. Putting a little grease in the hubs. All bearings are packed, all hubs are packed. Washers are clean. Spindle nuts. Passenger side hub and drums are packed. I'm gonna adjust the brakes. I found a wire that got smashed, so I'm gonna fix that. Rear looks like it's still connected. Let's see what the other side looks like. Other side looks good, and that side looks good. Cool, so there's just one side, passenger side front, that got smashed and cut. All right, adjusted out the brakes. I'm gonna see if they go on slightly rubbing instantly. If not, I can adjust it from the rear. Passenger side front is going on. No, a little tight. Come on, we're close. Passenger side rear is slightly rubbing. I hit that on the head. Passenger side front is slightly rubbing. Hit that right on the head too. Cool. Passenger side rear, 50. Backed off, hand tight. Passenger side rear, retainer is verified. Passenger side front, 50. Back off, roughly hand tight. Passenger side front, retainer is verified. Both sides, passenger side, both front and back passenger side are slightly rubbing. And then I need to put this brake back together. Well, let's do the other side. Adjusting the brake, I was able to hit it right on the dot with the other ones. So let's see if I can do it on this one. This thing is way out. There we go. Driver's side front, 50. Backed off, hand tight. Driver's side front, retainer is verified. All right, I gotta get this bearing off here. Hopefully it's not seized. Looks okay. All right, I gotta cut that bearing off. Let's do it. There we go, it's cracking. Good. Got it. Inner portion of the bearing's off. I'm gonna hit that with a little bit of emery cloth and then try and slide the new one on. Cool. Slightly rubbing on the rear as I put it on. Love it. Driver's side rear, 50. Backed off, hand tight. Driver's side rear retainer is verified. All right, checking brakes. Driver's side front, free spinning. Driver's side rear, free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Rear, locked up. Brakes are off. Back to free spinning. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. Driver's side brakes work. Passenger side front, free spinning. Passenger side rear, free spinning. Brakes are on. Oh, I know that one's not working, but rear locked up. Brakes are off, back to free spinning. I need to wire this one back up. Now let's fix this wiring here. Looks like this came all the way down and smashed it. It's actually pretty impressive. Now let's see if the brakes work. Yep, brakes work. Brakes are off, back to free spinning. All right, that's not gonna smash anymore when it inevitably overloads. All right, now let's double check brakes on this side. Front free spinning, rear free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, front, locked up. Brakes are off, back to free spinning, back to free spinning. Brakes work. All right, I don't think Breakaway works, but we're gonna test it anyway. Breakaway pin is out, front still free spinning, no power. Breakaway kit's in. Okay, I'm gonna change that kit out. All right, I'm gonna mount this on the top because the bottom does not have the same mounting as this new Breakaway kit. Got a rubber grommet in there. New Breakaway kitten's installed. It is wired up on the bottom and zip tied and shrunk wrap. I'm getting good charge circuit on the tester. See if the Breakaway works. Pin is out. Front driver side is locked up. Breakaway pin's back in. Front driver side back to free spinning. New Breakaway kit works. And torque and lug nuts. Lug nuts torqued. And checking lights. Passenger side marker lights are on and working. Rear is on and working. License plate lights working. Right turns on and working. Left turns on and working. Marker lights are back on. All marker lights down driver's side are working. Let's check 12 volt, make sure the fans are working. 12 volt hotline should be on. Fans are working still. Fans are working still. I put those in a while ago. Happy they're still working. This Thuro Bilt service is over. New bearings, new seals, new races, new grease in the hubs. Adjusted all the brakes. This brake was not connected, so I reconnected it. Checked all lights and wiring. Had to change the Breakaway kit because the Breakaway kit battery was bad and it was not charging. So I put a new Breakaway kit on there. Everything's working. Put a new lanyard on the front. Her fans that I installed a couple years ago are still working. Everything's good. All lug nuts are torqued. The driver's side rear had a seized bearing, which was good that we did the service. It had a dust cap that was off and there was a bunch of dirt inside. So I was able to get that bearing off, put new bearings and seals and grease inside. It's not gonna blow up on them while they're towing their horses. Please like, comment, subscribe, helps me out a bunch. It's free for you. And this job's done. I'm on to the next.